Hi, I'm Lisa.
And I'm Kent, and we're Living Light RV.
We are grabbing life by the tail. Today we're in Joshua Tree National Park. We've had such a great day with my mom and dad and with our daughter Anna, and so come along with us and check out all the great times we've been having climbing over the rocks. It's been fantastic.
Like those ones up there?
Yeah, like those ones
like
up there.
All of them? Wow.
So amazing. And we're at the sunset hour right now, which is the light splashing off the rocks is just it's just breathtaking. We're loving it. So.
Could we just have the sun stop for about 25 minutes?
Oh, it's just beautiful.
We can just enjoy it the way it is. Barker Dam is basically right there. There in the trees, and then it comes down to an old spillway for cattle right here. And what's crazy is on the ground, it's been a nice day. You've seen us walking, and look what's on the ground here. Ice. I'm from Canada. I know what this is. This is ice. And it's crazy because it's a sunny day.
It's super busy. There is a government shutdown right now in the United States, so there's...
Which lets everybody into the park.
Parks are free, apparently.
Yeah.
So it's packed,
Overrun.
and it's Sunday, and it's the week between
What did
Christmas
Steve
and
say?
New Year's.
Joshua Tree National Park is overloved.
Overloved, that was
Yes.
the word our friend said. So anyway, it is a fantastic park, and...
I love Boulder City.
It's not called Boulder City.
What's it called?
It's called Jumbo Rock.
Jumbo Rocks.
Rocks.
There's more than one.
And I
So
doesn't know what it's called.
they may as well call it Boulder City. It's way better of a name.
So
I think it's going to stick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey guys, this is incredible. One big tip that we would have for Joshua Tree is bring some kind of gloves so you can grab onto these rocks because they're super, super rough on your hands, and footwear that has good grip because then you can just scramble all over the place. Yeah, hope you have a chance to come out here. It's pretty fantastic.
This is awesome. What a playground. Look right behind me, right there.
You're gonna go in there?
Yeah. Isn't that cool?
So brave.
All of this is right here.
This is so fun. It's like a McDonald's playground for adults.
I know. That's exactly what it is. It's like
fun.
an explore zone.
I love it. This is great.
Go have fun. The problem with this is you don't know if you can get out or where you can get
Or
out.
even turn around to get back.
Yeah, like if I was like a rat, I would just climb all the way through there, but I'm not like a rat.
And it's cold in here.
No.
Oh, there's cold air because it's all shady.
True.
I like shady space.
It's totally shady. But really cool.
And there's the sky. All right, go ahead.
Well, we've watched the new year ring in.
Happy New Year!
we have-
2019
this is
has
incredible.
begun.
We have had a fantastic time at Palm Springs. We have had tremendous hiking, things we've been looking forward to, and some things that are just a nice little short bicycle ride away and still epic hiking. It's just been fabulous. What a place to go.
Mm-hmm.
We've seen the oases, and we have also seen the storms come through, and again, back to sunny. This is great. What a nice location. Hey, the one thing that Lisa and I wanted to talk to you about today is about enjoying the locations, number one, but also spending that time with family.
Mm-hmm.
And something also that's dear to our hearts is food.
We do like a good meal, that's for sure. Yeah, so this week we enjoyed Christmas and New Year's, and we did a couple of big meals in the RVs. My mom and dad are with us, so we used their oven as well as our oven. We did a big turkey, we did a big ham, we did all the fixins, desserts, all the good stuff. So if anybody says you can't cook in an RV, well, they're just flat out wrong, because we sure had fun cooking in our motorhome and mom and dad's trailer. Okay. So she had to get the pie done before she could do the turkey. So I guess that's one thing about tiny cooking. Oh, my fan is on. All right, so Mom had to do the pie before she could do the turkey. So that is what's in her oven right now, and I'm in the middle of making stuffing. This is my mother-in-law's recipe. It is so good. It is bacon. So I've got the bacon fried up. I've got the celery chopped, and I'm gonna chop up some onion, and I don't have garlic, so I'm just gonna use garlic powder, and then poultry seasoning, sage, and breadcrumbs, and I just throw that in the oven an hour before we're ready to eat, and it is so good. And I put lots of poultry seasoning in and lots of sage. That's the trick.
And we have a friend on site here that he cooks everything outside.
Yep.
So he says that he can cook anything anybody can cook at a house. He can cook here outside and do it just as good.
Yeah, exactly. So yes, we've enjoyed the food, we've enjoyed that part. We've also enjoyed hanging out with family.
Yeah.
Our daughter was here visiting, which has been great. I think you probably would have seen that from our video last week when we hiked through the Coachella Valley.
Yeah.
And yeah, I just enjoyed hanging out with her. This week was a little more relaxed. You guys, Joshua Tree is incredible. It is an amazing experience. It's a type of geography that you just don't find anywhere. Well, we've never seen anywhere else. So if you're in this area, take a day and go to Joshua Tree. It's definitely worth the drive.
Yeah.
However, parking an RV in there would be tricky.
Yeah.
Because it's pretty squishy for parking. So if you have a tow, that's great. Or if you can catch a ride with somebody, I think in the busy season they have shuttles that go through there. So that's what we'd recommend. Don't try and take a motorhome in there. It's just going to be a beast to try and find parking.
We met with relatives that actually live in Palm Springs, and that was fun
that's right.
too.
Kent met with his cousin he hasn't seen for a long time, so that was really fun. 2018 was the year of transition, and 2019 is going to be a year of just living it.
Yes.
All right, we hope you guys like this video, and go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you did. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. It is free, and it really does help us build our channel and get the word out there that, you know what I was going to say, it's never, my dad always says this, it's never too late to start doing the right thing.
Start doing the right thing. And I always say, well, it's never too late to do the wrong thing either, so I may as well do something.
So do something, get out there and live your life and enjoy it. And you know what, just literally like grab it by the tail and go for it. Just have some fun.
Yeah.
And go climb some rocks if you've got some nearby. If not, plan a trip to Joshua Tree because this has been fantastic.
Wow.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you next week.
Should we go this way? Oh yeah. That way.
The truck is over there.
Yeah. That's why I avoided that one. Because I got shorts on.
That totally stabbed right through my jeans. That's crazy.
Wow, this sky is beautiful. Out here they say watch out for snakes. We saw no snakes the whole time, any of the days we've been out. Not that we wouldn't find one today, but we've never seen one.
You know
so.
what, Kent?
What?
I think it's too cold.
I think it's too cold too.
It's too cold for snakes right now. Like it's cold enough to be wearing my parka and my wool sweater. So, and I wish I had gloves.
She's from Canada.
And I'm from Canada. Crazy, I know. I think we're getting acclimatized.
You think?
I think so.
So cool.